Let us begin with the introduction to switches. A switch is an electrical component that can make or break an electric circuit, interrupting the current or diverting it from one conductor to another. A mechanism of a switch removes or restores the conducting path in which a circuit is operated. The simplest type of a switch is one where two electrical conductors are brought in contact with each other by a motion of an actuating mechanism. Types of switches. There are many different types of switches, and few of them we are going to discuss over here. The first is the toggle switch. The toggle switches are actuated by a lever angled in one of two or more positions. Application: it is used in household wiring. Then we have push button switch. Push button switches are two position devices actuated with a button that is pressed and released. Most push button switches have an internal spring mechanism returning the button to its out or unpressed position. Some push button switches with latch alternating on or off with every push of the button. Other push button switches will stay in their in or pressed position until the button is pulled back out. The selector switch. The selector switches are actuated with a rotary knob or lever of some sort to select one of two or more positions, like the toggle switch. Selector switches can either rest in any of their positions or contain spring return mechanism. Then we have pressure switch. Gas or liquid pressure can be used to actuate a switch mechanism. If that pressure is applied to a piston, diaphragm or bellows which convert pressure to mechanical force. Lastly, we have the speed switch. These switches sense the rotary speed of a shaft either by a centrifugal weight mechanism mounted on the shaft or by some kind of non-contact detection of shaft motion such as optical or magnetic motion.